Jai Gurudev. I am Adarsh Nair of class 8.
I am Rayan Rai of class 7.
And we are from the school Maharishi Vidya Mandir.
Today, we have an extra video making workshop at our school.
We are going to capture it.
Let's go. Now we are in the workshop area.
Let's see what's happening.
Now we are in the green screen room.
You go ahead, cells.
And use your hands to explain this. Okay, cool.
Today I am going to tell about organs of human digestive system.
A cell is the smallest organism in this world.
When we plant a seed in the ground under favorable conditions,
Hi, so my project is going good.
we are going to show the 365 days the earth rotating around the sun. This project is about the life cycle of earth, and I am very excited about this project.
I really like the part where I was recording with my friend Ryan. It was really fun. We were running around a lot. We were taking different interviews of different teams. I personally really love the experience. I would like to have it again.
Yeah, I personally love the video making, and I even thought of a project that I'll do in this holidays. It was very fun. It was a very good day. I loved shooting and vlogging, and it is very important for us to know some video skills. Thank you.